Mr. Deary, we will pass the orders. Mr. Deary, we will pass the orders. Good day, Rizvi.
Made to Lordship.
Yes,
My Lord, I beg to mention that one review petition is pending. This may be taken up tomorrow, my Lord.
of this court,
Yeah.
passed by the mine, passed by me.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
The order passed by me.
Yes.
When?
Uh,
What was the issue?
regarding, my Lord, the order, what's your order is close the writ petition without the knowledge of the petitioner.
This court, me, I had closed it.
No, no.
Then?
Earlier, Justice Bujar Burua. Obliged.
Lordship, I'd like to mention one long pending matter. It's appellate SAO. Appeal from appellate order.
Next week.
Marriage.
Next week then.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 15, item number 15, Your Lordship.
15.
Oh, yes, one five,
Why?
sir.
Why?
This matter may be adjourned, Your Lordship. And from the responding counsel, we have not yet been able to submit our reply to affidavit of opposition, Your Lordship.
Your name?
R. Tani, for
R.
the responding counsel. Your Lordship. I've taken
R.
consent.
Tani, learned
Yes, Your Lordship.
counsel appearing for the respondent has submitted that, has prayed that the matter be adjourned, whether he be granted further 2 weeks' time,
Lordship, yes.
2 weeks' time to bring on record the bring the stand of the respondent on record by way of filing an evidence. Prayer accepted. Registry to list this matter after 2 weeks on a date 2 weeks by.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Your Honor, I beg to mention item number 18. The matter may be listed after 2 weeks as the leading counsel is suffering from a viral fever, Your Honor. Mr. R. Saikia.
Mr. R.
R. Saikia. Item number 18.
R. Bori is there, but R. Sangde is not here.
Item number 18.
18. Supplementary hearing.
Yes.
Naisan Monsu.
Yes. Sir. His name is not reflected, but it is in Wakalatnama. He is the leading counsel.
On a prayer made on behalf of Mr. R. Nam Lilijega,
Yeah.
R. So-and-so, who is said to be
R.
indisposed. A prayer is made for adjournment of the matter. Prayer accepted, registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by.
Obliged, Lord.
And I beg to mention CRP number 10 of 2024 to be taken up on Friday for final hearing.
Friday will be too difficult for this school. I was here for a whole week. You were not mentioned. When did you file it?
It was
Pending matter.
pending matter.
Next week. Monday.
Then in that case, Your Honor, it's okay. I'll mention it some other time. Obliged.
Five,
Right.
What is the status of the land today?
Status, Lordship, since there was a status order from this honorable court, neither of the parties are in possession.
Yes, madam.
Here, Your Lordship.
No, if you want to do it, we'll take it up. Otherwise, we'll have it on some other day. If you're ready, we'll do it. Otherwise, because after hearing him, if you're not ready,
Your Lordship, in this matter, we are only saying that the area fall under the plot of land, Your Lordship, is fall under, Your Lordship, this one wildlife sanctuary, Your Lordship.
Then how could you have made allotment of that land to another party?
Exactly.
Yes, actually, yeah, it was.
You make a statement that you are not making allotment to anybody, we will close it. Accordingly, you will also have no grievance.
Yes.
The
Receive your
allotment was
instruction.
without authority, Your Lordship.
But you have filed an affidavit here.
Yes, Your Lordship, we
Then-
have already stated, Your Lordship.
Where? Show me.
Your Lordship may come to this one in our affidavit, Your Lordship. Page 2, Your Lordship,
Affidavit by?
respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
Found your affidavit somewhere. Where is it? No, I got it. I have seen it. Seen it somewhere.
Your Lordship, page 2, Your Lordship.
Just, Page 2, yes.
But, our stand is only on para 4, Your Lordship. Paragraph 4, may I read, Your Lordship? What we are saying, Your Lordship, that the area in question, this is a plot of land measuring 400 square meter situated near tennis court, B sector, Itanagar falls under the Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary. And hence the issue of formal land allotment in favor of the petitioner was not warranted legally. And Your Lordship, your state that right order number DC/LM/LPC 297/15 dated 7/12/2021 has withdrawn all the recommendation for land allotment and LPC's issues to any individual group of individuals in respect of the reserve forest and Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary, and also the LPC issued by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, ICC Itanagar Capital Complex within the Dumpong Reserve Forest and Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary were cancelled with immediate effect, White Order number 7/12/2021. And you receive the communication number LM132/land 2010/8917 dated 28/06/2012 made by the Director, Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, to the then Deputy Commissioner ICC, conveyed the approval of the government for allotment of 400 square meter in favor of the petitioner, and the continuation memo number LM 88/2017/2925 dated 27/1/2018 by Joint Director IC, Director of Land Management, Government of Arunachal Pradesh, communicated to the Deputy Commissioner Itanagar Capital Complex. You will see the government approval for allotment in favor of the Bharatiya Janata Party herein, the respondent number 6, and the act of land allotment given to the Bharatiya Janata Party Arunachal Pradesh measuring 2,500 square meter for construction of state BJP head office in the said area, White impugned allotment order number DC/ICC LRB 07/2016 dated 24/4/2018. Your Lordship, this was the land allotment order to the Bharatiya Janata Party, Your Lordship, was without authority, and hence the approval as well as the allotment is void ab initio,
No,
Lordship.
maybe it's void ab initio. We cancelled it.
Yes, Your Lordship, cancel, Your
Where
Lordship.
is your?
Your Lordship, Lordship may come to.
A series, yes.
Your Lordship may come to this one, page, Annexer B, Your Lordship, page 18, or page 17, Your Lordship.
Or this is something else.
Yes, sir, this is speaking order. Your
No, I
Lordship.
got it, but whether that land LPC that was issued, or land allotment order that was made in favor of respondent number 6 was subsequently cancelled. Yes, council, was it cancelled?
Lordship, no lordship, as of now.
No.
And in terms of lordship, may I humbly submit that as per this notification and on the basis of this affidavit,
Hmm.
now the deputy commissioner, they are saying that the area of measuring 140.8 square kilometers is fall under the Itanagar Wildlife Sanctuary area.
Where are they saying that?
This is as per this lordship notification. Your Honor, phase number 10
Of
This-
that,
of the affidavit of respondent 5. This is the schedule.
no, where is that area? Where have they said that the land allotted to respondent number 6, this much only falls within?
No, there is absolutely nothing there. Nothing.
So we'll go by this statement that they have said that it's void. Ab initio void, they say.
In
Page-
that, in that case also, Your Honor, if they are saying that the entire Itanagar area, as your lordship aware that it's hardly 5-6 square kilometer areas within the Itanagar capital complex. Entire land will be fall within the wildlife sanctuary area. In that
This
case,
is the stand they are taking.
but Your Honor, they have issue, then in that case, Your Honor, even the civil
Okay, madam,
secretariat
we will
office.
take it up tomorrow morning. You get your instructions whether in pursuance to this affidavit that you have filed, whether the land allotment order was cancelled. Get that instruction. That'll do. If it is cancelled, you have no grievance.
Yes,
And that 4,000 square meter that was allotted to you,
yes, Your Honor.
what happened to that? They have cancelled it?
Cancel.
No, cancel, it was communicated through one letter in 2018, Your Honor.
Hmm.
That is only, but no, as on that, no cancellation
get-
order
get-
has been furnished to us.
Whether the land allotted to the order allotted to the petitioner and respondent number 6, which you say to be bad, whether you have cancelled it. Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow.
Okay, Your Lordship.
Khali isko kar liyo. List on the prayer of the.
And one more
Okay.
instruction, may I humbly pray that, Your Honor, in terms of their affidavit, whether this notification are strictly implementing or not, that
Will not go beyond this. Will not create problems for others.
Your Lord, may I, Your Lordship, this matter will listen day after tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Tomorrow. 2
Tomorrow.
o'clock tomorrow. 2 o'clock tomorrow. Just get that instruction, that's all. List this matter again. On the prayer of the parties, list this matter again at tomorrow at 2 p.m.
deeply obliged.
इसको ऑर्डर को अभी अपलोड कर दो. Yes, Mr. Patel.
This matter is pertaining to the Land Acquisition Act, land acquisition
Hmm.
at Walong,
Hmm.
Walong.
Hmm.
Now, the petitioners own 12 hectares of land
Hmm.
and it is inherited property
Hmm.
and out of 12,
Hmm.
5 hectares have been taken away
Hmm.
by the 4 advanced landing ground as well as artillery military.
Hmm.
They have taken the land.
Hmm.
Then
Hmm.
there was no land acquisition.
Hmm.
There was no town notification of Walong issued by any competent authority.
Hmm.
As per the court, they said that land was acquired in 1991, that is on 17 January 1991, page 48, annexure 12. That is the preliminary notification for acquiring of the Walong Township. Now, this notification,
Now, was it published in any paper?
no, it was not known to us. So my content here in the application petition is
So
that
that, Mr. Patil, your land, which you had, parcel of land that you had, was taken away from you in 1991 itself.
no, it was not known to us.
And you continued to occupy the land.
And it was not known to us, and no notification was issued in our knowledge. After that, they have allotted the land to the and annexure 23, page 77. This is 9 August 2011, issued by the Deputy Commissioner, Anjo District, Hawaii. Here, they have allotted 14 hectares to the Defense Estate Officer, Jorhat. Then my contention is that without acquiring the land, private land, how they will donate the land to the Defense Estate Officer?
My question to you, Mr. Patil, would be that whether the possession of your land,
Yeah.
it's in your possession till 2011, or they had taken it before that?
No, it was under my possession. And after that, I have made a complaint before the Deputy Commissioner.
When?
And even I have filed title suit also. And 145 also, I have filed.
Where is it? Where is it? Where are those?
Come to the page 46. And
You withdrew it.
yes, I withdraw it. Learned Counsel Mr. K. Dogi for the appellant is present. Learned Counsel Ms. D. Patok and B.H. Singh. This is, I withdraw it after filing this. And prior to this, I was given even stay order by the trial judge. But that stay order was not obeyed by the army.
See, one of the contentions of the government in the affidavit is that this land was never allotted to anybody, and accordingly it was government land, and they have taken it over. And it would be a case of eviction of people like you, they say in their affidavit. So what is your response to that?
My responsibility is
Where
that-
is the land allotment orders? Any land allotment orders here in your favor? Nothing.
No.
It's
This is-
community land.
Traditionally, I own the land.
It's community land.
No, traditionally.
So when were you actually dispossessed from the land?
After that, after filing civil suit, even the page 22, that is annexure 2, it was my petition which was filed before the executive magistrate and circle officer. It was
No, my thing is, Mr. Patil, when was your clients dispossessed?
it was disposed.
No, not disposed. When was the land taken over by the allottee, by the agent, by the agency for which it was acquired? When was it?
2011, they have started the construction of the
So you were
advanced landing road.
out from that land from 2011 on.
Yes. And thereafter, I start my agitation. And I approached the court also,
Yeah, you approached the civil court,
civil court.
but you withdrew it.
But it was found that Deputy Commissioner himself was at that time, Deputy Commissioner was taking the case before the judiciary was separated.
Okay.
Then he himself is the party to the case. He cannot try it. And here we are challenging the notification, particularly in the civil suit. It will be very difficult to challenge the government notification. And later on it was found that this is the appropriate forum to challenge the notification. Now, most wonderful thing is, another is 2000. Page 52.
Hmm.
Page 52. And we see dated Teju, dated 12 September 2008. Now, if preliminary notification is issued, according to the Land Acquisition Act, Section 4, how they have issued they try to issue the final notification on 12 September 2008. That is after gap of 17 years. 17 years. Then, here in the case, I have met the state of Arunachal Pradesh represented through the Chief Secretary, the Secretary Land Management Gov of Itanagar, then the Director Land Management Gov of Itanagar, the Deputy Commissioner Anjo District, Hawaii, Arunachal Pradesh, Deputy Commissioner Teju District Lohit, Arunachal Pradesh, the Circle Officer. Now, though I have filed this after I made the party, through RTI, I came to know that there is no such record, notification record in the Director of Land Management and Secretary Land Management Gov of AP. There is no such record. Then, Deputy Commissioner and the Deputy Commissioner of Anjo District and Deputy Commissioner of Teju Lohit District, they are not disputing and they are not contradicting my allegation. And answer of the page 75. Page 75. This is RTI. 1. Notifications document regarding notification of Walong Township. Notice served to the landowner, if any. Whether land acquisition proceeding was initiated, if so, document and notice under section 4.1. Whether any compensation was proposed to be given to respective landowners. Other relevant documents relating to notification and proposal. Whether consent of the landowner was taken. Agreement oblique consent, if any, by the respective landowner. If so, copy of the consent letter. Whether final notification was done, the copy of final notification. Whether Army, BRTF, one and central agency were allotted any land by.
Sir Patil, they have filed 3 affidavits in the matter. The respondents. The state has not filed, but the acquiring the authority for which the land was acquired.
Yes.
They have filed 3 affidavits here.
Deputy Commissioner, both Deputy Commissioner has filed.
Here,
Here.
Deputy Commissioner, where is that affidavit? Affidavit को उसका filing. Respondents number 4 and 5.
4 and 5.
Okay.
They have not contradicted.
No, they have contradicted. They say that this land is government land.
Now, now come to page 76. Preliminary notification of Walong Township 2 pages. Now, question number 2, no record available with us.
Have you
There is-
filed replies to this affidavits filed by the respondents? No.
No. Now, no record available with us. Second, no record available with us. No record available with us.
So, Mr. Patin, if I have understood you correctly, your case is that there was a plot of land which you were possessing in Walang village, which was taken over by the
Government.
by the deputy commissioner for handing over to the army, whatever it is,
Yes.
for development of that place as an advanced landing area, but you were not paid any compensation for that.
Yes.
And your further argument is that there was no proceeding either under the old act or under the new Land Acquisition Act. In this connection, the preliminary notification was never published in the newspapers. That's your case.
Yes. And there is no claim and objection hearing also.
Have you seen? Have you seen? I'll ask. Madam, what is this?
Not said.
Your
sir.
stand in the affidavit is that
It
these
is
people have got no title to that area, right?
not said.
There was no allotment made. When did you acquire this land?
Not said.
Or when did you declare this land?
We say in our page 9 and lots of annexure A, lots of preliminary notification was issued on.
I don't understand. If that is government
sir.
land, why
Yes,
was a necessity of issuing a notification for acquiring? It's your own land. Why you have to acquire it?
lots of.
If the land, according to your affidavit, is a government land, why are you acquiring it?
As per the procedure, following the procedure, if there is any claim and objections, to see that, since there was no claim and objection, we have regularized it.
When did
That's
you
right.
issue that preliminary? What is the story of 96?
1991,
1991,
lots of,
9. Affidavit of
4 and 5. Affidavit is very weak, lots of, nothing is has been said properly, but lots of,
nothing is here.
page 9, lots of, annexure A. Lots of. Here, serial number 2 and 3, lots of. From here, we can make out that lots of. The notification
How
was.
do you have records of which land is government land, which is a land allotted?
Lots of this is this Hawaii Anjo is a very far flung. Earlier at that point of time, when they have said this, it was in Lohit district.
Now you come to para 4 of your that para page 9.
Page 9.
Hmm.
Yes,
As
lots of.
per records and notification, Walang Township area is purely government land.
Yes, lots of.
So where is the question of any further acquisition proceedings?
Lots of this they have said in April 2012. This is,
Hmm.
and it was already notification acquired everything. It was done in 1991. Lots of. So it's government land, lots of, according to.
After that 91 acquisition.
Yes. And on para 6, serial number 6, the petitioner is also lots of here. Her name has also been. Reflected lots of.
Now, she did not pay up the land revenue.
She has been given an allotment.
So
Till now,
this land, this property, 50 square meter, plot number 39,
yes, Lord.
is it also falling within that para 2? Land which was acquired in para 2?
Lordship,
Sure.
Lordship, because I'm sorry, I should not be saying this, but since this was handled by one of my colleague, I did not,
Because see, if
this
this
affidavit, so-
statement is there,
Lordship,
that she had a plot of land. She or her
allotted, she was allotted.
allotted. If that
Yes.
was there, how can you now say that this is government land?
No, Lordship, what we are saying is that if this is, she has been allotted a land, Lordship, because government land are being allotted.
I know that.
If
But
this
what
is private land, she could have applied for LPC,
No, she has been given that land.
Lordship.
Plot number 39 was given to her.
Yes, Lordship.
She was in possession. You say from 83 to 2012, she has not paid land revenue.
Lordship.
But that means to bring land revenue she has not paid, you proceed against her, recover. But that also indicates that she was in possession of that land.
But then, Lordship, here we say that, okay,
You see that in 7. That is why I asked you the question in that manner.
yes, Lordship.
So Mr. Patil's contention that this land, I have a land there,
Lordship.
you will have to dispel. If you dispel that, then he has got nothing. But your para 7 is saying something else,
Lordship.
and which is contradictory to para 2 and para 4 of that letter.
Oh.
1983, yes, Lordship.
Hmm. Even at page 12, you will find the same contention. That is why I was that's why I asked you the question as to why. Because your paragraphs and this document does not match.
Lordship.
Examine that, come back tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Lordship,
Only on that point.
I need to have a telephonic discussion with the.
Mr. Patil, that's the only point.
Huh.
If you have plot number 39 with you, you are entitled to some compensation in manner known to law. That's all.
No. After I made the complaint, they have allotted me without any application, this land. So I have rejected it.
When? When did they?
It was on 19 August 2011.
2011. I think, madam, you got to receive your instructions on these 2 points.
Lordship.
Hmm?
Lordship.
Because if that is government land, you have allotted it to him. How
No.
can you now take it back without a proceeding? He's
Agree.
possessing the land. You have nothing to say. You enjoy. You enjoy. your possession.
Very much clear.
Let them
Yes.
both break their hand. You
Yes.
enjoy. You enjoy.
No,
Mr. Patil, when it be, when can I have it next? Fix it. When will it be convenient to you?
on Friday,
Friday, Lordship. It may not be.
then Saturday.
Thursday is tomorrow.
Huh?
Tomorrow she may not. Anjao may be a bit.
Thursday.
Next Thursday.
No, this coming Thursday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow is Wednesday.
No, Thursday.
Huh?
Tomorrow is Thursday, sir. Today is Wednesday.
Huh?
You
No,
need
sir.
not be surprised. When I was sitting inside, I wrote the date today as Tuesday. It happens. I was also under the impression that tomorrow is Wednesday, so you need not worry about that. Give a date.
Next week. Lordship.
Monday, Tuesday,
Wednesday, Lordship.
Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Ms. G. Ete, Learned Counsel, heard Mr. M. Patil, Learned Senior Counsel appearing for the petitioners. Full stop. Ms. G. Ete, also heard Mr. M. Kato, Learned Deputy Deputy Solicitor General GSI of India. Also heard Mr. G. Ete, Learned Counsel representing the respondent number 4 and 5 in the matter. Full stop. Ms. J. Ete prays that she be granted a week's time to receive instructions with regard to the prescriptions as made in the communication dated 16/4/2012 and 9/6/2012 annexed to the next to the affidavit in opposition of the said respond number 4 and 5, wherein it has been contended that the petitioner herein was actually allotted a plot bearing number 39 in the area which is now, which was thereafter handed over to the army authorities. Full stop. The registry to list this matter again on
Six, Lordship.
6/6/2024. Full stop. Ms. G. Ete shall on the next day apprise this court about the above issue. Just get that clarification.
Yes, Lordship. Yes. Much obliged, Lordship.
Your Lordship may recall of having dealt with the cases of PRT, TGT, LDC, UDC, illegal appointments in
I'll never forget
in
that.
13 districts.
I'll not forget that.
There were bail applications.
I'll not forget that.
Yes, exactly.
Do you know why?
Yes, my lord.
On 4th, when the matter was moved before me,
Mhm.
I was produced with certificates, which shows that the man is in the ICU. I was even shown a letter, an order of the learned trial court, wherein the judge had said that production was made from the ICU.
Mhm.
So naturally, he was not keeping very well. ICU, very serious condition.
Yes, naturally.
Very
Otherwise,
serious. ICU.
Uh.
So that matter was moved on 4th, end of the chapter. On 6th, I get a request for listing of around 10 applications,
Okay.
bail applications. I permitted, no, one was in the list, another 9 or 10 was prayed to be listed. I said, let's handle this, because I saw something when I went through the matters. I saw that the 4th, he was in the ICU. 5th morning, he was discharged directly from ICU to home.
Was it a private hospital or?
Oh, you're Timore, man.
Yeah, wonderful.
Your
Mhm.
your
Very well.
instructing counsel will brief you.
Okay.
So I refused.
That's the right thing. That's the right thing. But here, the facts will be a bit different. In this case, your lordship had granted bail when this gentleman was a deputy director of school education in West Siang. In connection with that very particular district, later on that interim bail was made absolute by Justice Habung. That chapter is over. Now, my lord, here the important fact is, this gentleman, he was transferred to District Lohit as Deputy Director of School Education. My lord may note the date, because this date is not there in the bail application. I'm making a statement, and to support this, I will file additional affidavit. He was transferred to District Lohit on 5th August 2022 as Deputy Director of School
5th
Education.
August?
2022. As Deputy Director of School Education at
Hmm.
Lohit.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, in Lohit,
Hmm.
at that very point of time, there were 4 illegally appointed primary teachers. Now, other facts are there in the bail application. I'm just pointing out. Yes, yes. Now, my lord, these teachers, they were appointed by order dated 2nd November 2020. 2/11/2020, their appointment order was regularized, and they were posted under Deputy Director of School Education, Longding, District Longding, on 2nd November
Who
2020.
had issued these orders?
At that point of time, Deputy Director of School Education, they were
Not-
posted
not-
under DDSE Longding.
No. How can a DDSE of a district
They were
transferred to
Director Elementary Education, sorry. Director Elementary
the
Education.
recommendation would be that,
Yes.
Mr. Okay.
that possibly that gentleman,
Hmm.
be that as it may.
Hmm.
So he issues appointment orders
Hmm.
of regularization, and they were posted under Deputy Director School Education, Longding, by order of 2nd November 2020.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, thereafter, on 24th May 2021,
Hmm.
an order is issued, and these 4 illegally appointed teachers were transferred to District Lohit. That is by order dated 24/5/21.
So they were in Lohit
They were
They-
not
initially, illegal
initially,
appointment.
initially, my lord, we know the details that they, by an appointment of regularization, they were posted under DDSE Longding
No,
district.
that
That is 2nd November
that-
2020.
That regularization order is regularizing some appointment. That
These
you mean to say that
appointing these teachers, 4.
this is a regularization order of 2020.
Yes.
Prior to that, where is that order which was regularized?
That order is not in the bill application. I don't have those details.
Forget it. That means they and will
I'm trying to show that there is no nexus
between you and
between
the
this petitioner and these illegally appointed teachers. I'm just giving the 2 dates only, my lord.
Hmm.
So 2/11/2020,
Hmm.
regularized and posted under DDSE Longding,
Hmm.
these 4.
Hmm.
Thereafter, by order dated 24/5/21,
Hmm.
they were transferred
Hmm.
to District Lohit.
Hmm.
They were released from District Longding in October 2022.
Hmm.
In October 2022.
Hmm.
In October 2022, when they were released
Hmm.
and they came to Lohit,
Hmm.
at that point of time, I was DDSE Lohit because I came there on 5th August 2022.
Hmm.
So, my lord,
Another 3 months they joined there.
that is it. They are very much there.
Then they made applications to you for release of their salaries.
Yes. So, my lord, naturally, what do? I have no role whatsoever. So, my lord will find in the FIR at serial number 5, Lohit, 4 teachers.
4 teachers.
That is my role. So, my lord, day after tomorrow, I will attain the age of superannuation. Day after tomorrow. Call comes from the police station. No one enjoys, my lord, going there without getting a protection. I will go, I will report, I will furnish all the possible information, whatever I am having with myself, but at least, my lord, some interim protection. So far as my arrival in Lohit is concerned, my lord, that relevant fact by way of additional affidavit I'll place. Unfortunately, this statement was not there in this bail application.
This seems to be now a very deep-rooted problem here.
There has to be CBI inquiry. Otherwise, my lord, it will never unearth. Nothing will happen here. I'm 100% confident after the election, new government will come. Everything will be washed out.
Then why are you taking the trouble of?
The trouble, my lord, bail. Fine, my lord. One thing on paper, other things, ultimately the logical outcome. What happens? I have never seen in this state anyone getting convicted and languishing in prison for a long time. I have this experience of public distribution system cases. Huge scam of 1,000 crores.
That can be, Mr. Tiwari, with regard to education department. It's in a more larger scale which had happened in Assam.
Far more, far nothing happened.
Everybody is.
And Assam is considered to be a state wherein, according to the people over there, law is streamlined.
But they are still out.
And over here, so in comparison, there is nothing.
This is nothing.
There is nothing. So anyway, my lord, the purpose
Yes,
is,
madam. Where is Mr. Pada?
Your Lordship, the standing council of party is out of the town right now, so call for CD call for.
They will have to have. What is the case number here?
case number here is,
It's a
AV
different
92.
case.
yes, different case, 6/2/24, page number 22. This is PS case number 05/2024 under section, but this verbatim similar FIRs, my lord. Everything similar, it's only the numbers are different. Sections are the same. Page 21, the bottom portion,
Page 21.
page 21. Left hand side, the typed portion. Received on such and such, registered a case number.
And the written FIR is at page 23.
Yes, yes,
The fact, okay.
yes. Page, written FIR, my lord will find at page 23. No, FIR is here. The FIR is this. Sorry, page 20 and 21.
20 and 21.
20 and 21. That is not FIR.
FIR 22 to 24, Your Lordship.
That is the registration of, the complaint is 2021, contents of the complaint. On the basis of that, registration of FIR.
You're not named here.
It cannot be named, my lord. Naturally, one can't be named here.
Okay, when can the CD be produced? Tomorrow?
Tomorrow not possible. Your- I have to take instruction from my senior. But on 31st, 31st of this, he will be back, Your Lordship. After day tomorrow.
Mr. Tiwari, when are you coming back? Next
My lord,
week?
even if I'm not there in a case of this nature, I don't think my presence will be required.
We'll have it
So
on
they will be
Wednesday.
there.
We'll have it on Wednesday.
Very well, but my lord, at least the interim protection, because
Interim
they are,
protection by Tuesday, you are going to the
oh, yes,
SIC
yes,
office
yes, he
and
will
giving
go.
your statement.
Yes, he will go and do. He will go and do that.
Take it.
Because day after tomorrow, he is retiring. My lord, no one wants to be languishing in jail at least for that brief period.
Hmm.
And my lord, leave may kindly be given to put on an affidavit.
That you,
That-
when you file
that-
it, you
very
take
well,
it.
very
You will not make it.
The leave I am seeking for that. That's a relevant fact.
एक करो केस नंबर तुमको यहाँ मिल जाएगा सेम ऑर्डर बिल का 30,000 with like surety of two like surety of 2 persons petitioner to appear before day इसको Friday लगाना next Friday petitioner to appear before the IO on or before today is 29. On or before 5/6/2024. हाँ, condition में बाकी जो general condition वो लगा
He will go report, get his statement
recorded on by before
before.
before what is it where did I get it 5/6.
Very well, he
So
will
that
do that.
the CD when it is produced on 7th we'll have that statement also.
But at least if they want to arrest him, my lord, at least that interim protection.
Interim protection.
Oh, very well.
30,000.
Very well. Very
Oh, it's less, somewhat more. 50,000.
well. That's- What, we don't know.
30 is it.
Of less.
Not that leave for additional affidavit, may kindly be, because it will be put there. I think it's a relevant statement.
एक लाइन लगा देना वो जो बेल का कंडीशन का आगे Mr. P.K. Tiwari, Learned Senior Counsel submits that the applicant be granted an opportunity by granted leave to bring on record the certain particulars with regard to his service, certain details with regard to his service particulars by way of filing an additional affidavit. So the petitioner, the applicant is at liberty to file such affidavit and bring the said details on record before the next date of listing. उसके बाद में consider bail.
Yes.
Huh.
Lordship, method is related to the second appeal. That is, brief of the case is, Lordship, the appellant's husband has availed a loan of ₹2 lakhs from the respondent number 1. Then, meantime, he could not repay entire amount. He has repaid 80,000 as an interest which was accumulated. At the time of taking the loan, he has mortgaged his paddy field. Thereafter, Lordship, due to financial hardship, he could not repay. And proposed to sell the
So your substantial question would be serial number 3.
Your Lordship.
You're ready?
Yes, that all.
You're ready?
No, Your Lordship.
Why?
Actually, Your Lordship, the senior counsel is not here, and
You should have
Last,
informed
last
him.
time also taking a lordship time by the other side. That's why it was a fixed date for today also.
So we would like to hear you because if we admit this appeal, we'll have to consider even the interim prayer.
That's why it was a given opportunity last occasion. Because while disposing of the IA lordship for condonation of limitation, senior was appeared.
Subject to what you say, point number 3, whether the sale deed executed only by the seller, respond number 1, which is not registered, can be a valid document or not. That
Yes,
would be
yes.
one.
Then lordship, there are some more substantial portion
Others
of
are
law is the-
basically hinging on the facts, as far as I have
Yeah,
understood.
yes, Lord.
Okay, give me a firm date. Otherwise, I'll put it in the order that no further opportunity.
Tomorrow, lordship. Today I have talked to his senior. He said I have sent my junior, he will argue. Then now I don't know why taking.
Second appeal,
Yes.
you are an experienced.
He's here.
It
I
would be a
know.
good opportunity for him if he prepares.
Yes.
We'll also have.
But lordship, his suggestion was that the case record may be called for. So that
No,
was
that-
his
that's-
suggestion
no,
of
that
his
we will
senior
do-
lordship.
we'll do
Because
when we admit the
admit yes, substantial law is to be framed.
framed and then the
Then-
question
yes.
of interim, then we will
Yes,
go for
lordship.
it.
Then in case tomorrow, lordship,
Tomorrow, we
Your
have
Lordship,
a few
in
matters.
the if that is the thing, then record may be called from.
No.
prior.
We'll not go with your
Yeah.
direction. You want to argue today. Or you want a date, tell me, I'll give you. But
Then-
don't make other submissions.
All right, Your
How
Lordship.
we proceed, we will decide. Tell me,
Then-
Monday.
After 1 week.
No. Give me a firm date.
his senior is instructing him to proceed with the hearing. I don't know why.
Your Lordship, actually, the senior counsel is out of station. He has had an eye surgery. That's why he is.
We can't keep this pending. You'll have to make your alternative. You do it. When? Tuesday, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
And I'll put it that no further adjournment. Your name?
E. Paying, Your Lordship.
Mr. M. Bhatt, learned counsel for the appellant, right?
Yes, lordship.
Also heard Mr.
E. Paying, Your
E.
Lordship.
Pine, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number 1 and 2.
Only respondent one.
Yes, only two is there.
Only
One
two.
and two.
1 and 2 both.
Yes.
Oh,
No other
good
response.
so. Mr. Pine submits that on account of his senior not being in a position to attend court on behalf of, on account of his senior not being able to attend the court, the matter be taken up on Wednesday next, that is on 5/6/2024. The said prayer is objected to by Mr. M. Bhatt, learned counsel for the appellant, who submits that the matter was being adjourned on the last dates of listing on the prayer made on behalf of the respondents, and accordingly, a further consideration as required in the matter has not been permitted to be done by this court. Full stop. The prayer of Mr. Pine is accepted as a last chance. The matter stands adjourned to 5/6/2024, on which date the matter would be taken up for admission hearing. So in the event the respondents are not in a position to make their submissions in the matter, even after the opportunity granted, this court would proceed to consider the issue for admission and also for the interim prayer made upon hearing the learned counsel for the appellant.
Obliged.
Obliged.
You prepare.
Yes,
We'll
sir.
help.
All right, Your Lordship.
May I, Your Lordship?
Your Lordship, this is a bail application filed under section 439 of CRPC. Your Lordship, as per order dated 02/05/2024, we have took step upon the sole respondent, Your Lordship. However, in my case, Your Lordship, the step of the respondent number 2 here, she is not she is the informant, she is not a necessary party here, Your Lordship. If I may take Your Lordship to section 439 of 439 of CRPC, where the PP in last occasion she has objected that informant she is a necessary party here, and it is obligatory for her to present in the matter, Your Lordship. May I read the section, Your Lordship?
Victim,
Yes.
there is a,
The IO having trusting them, Your Lordship, he let them go, Your Lordship. Thereafter, on the same date, that is on 22/3, Your Lordship, 91 notice was also given, because from the statement of their account, Your Lordship, some of the amounts were found to be transferred, Your Lordship. Now, thereafter, they did not come. On one of the occasion, if Your Lordship, Your Lordship, I have craved the leave of the court for producing the CD. Since it's a confidential, Your Lordship, we have not annexed the part of the CD, Your Lordship. Now, if Your Lordship come to page number 6, paragraph 8, Your Lordship. They were asked to appear on 26/3/2024, Your Lordship. They did not appear, and their reply was that since the bail of 2 of the prime accused were pending, only if they were given bail, Your Lordship, they'll be appearing. Now, Your Lordship will see at paragraph 9, once more a notice on the 41 as well as notice on the 91 was issued.
you want them?
Yes,
So, but
yes, Your
you
Lordship,
want
because out of 2 crore cheated amount, Your Lordship, only 86 lakhs were recovered, not recovered, since their accounts are freeze, Your Lordship. It can be seen in the.
We'll require them to appear before you latest by Monday.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Mr. Borbia,
My lord,
Mr. Borbia,
my lord.
I can keep the order, bail order as it is today, provided you appear before the IO on Monday.
Your Lordship, one more request, Your Lordship. Your Lordship will see the vehicle used during the crime.
That you take hold of from them.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You appear before the IO on Monday, you give me an undertaking, I'll do nothing here.
My lord, they will
Monday.
appear, my lord. By my lord, Wednesday, my lord, and matter may be fixed on Friday, my lord, kindly, my lord. By Friday,
No,
my lord, any day, my
Monday
lord.
they'll have to appear. No, they'll have to appear on Monday.
Because they are from
And
Hailakandi, my
they will
lord. Government
also-
employees are also there, my lord.
Hailakandi, today is
My lord,
today is only Wednesday.
yes,
I'm
my lord,
asking
sufficient
for
time.
Monday.
Sufficient time, my lord. Only, my lord, for my lord.
Okay, it's Mr. Borbuia appearing, so Tuesday.
My lord.
Right,
By
Tuesday.
By Tuesday,
And
my
if you
lord.
don't appear, next day, don't make any submissions, this bail application will be withdrawn. This bail application will be dismissed. Right?
Yes, Your Lordship. They have my eye specifically is that they are not cooperating as well as they are violating the condition.
I criminal. Huh?
In the my lord, with
The
all
present
respect, my
application has been instituted by the state, raising a grievance with regard to the fact that the petitioners, after being granted interim bail by this court-wide order dated 14/3/2024 in the connected bail application, have not been petitioners, they have not been cooperating with the investigation of the matter. And accordingly, it is prayed that the interim direction as passed by this court be vacated and or recalled. Full stop. When the matter was being, interrogatory application was being considered, Mr. A.M. Borbia, learned counsel, appearing for the opposite party / petitioners, have has undertaken that the petitioners would appear before the investigating officer on
4th, Your Lordship.
on or before 4
Yes.
My lord.
2024. Full stop. And cooperate with the investigating officer in taking the case forward. Full stop. Full stop. In the event the petitioners, the opposite party petitioners do not appear before the IO on or before 4/6/2024, this court on the next date fixed would consider the conduct of the petitioner while considering the issue arising in the connected bail application. Full stop.
My lord, I am out of connection. My lord, I am out of, my lord, audio and video connection, my lord.
Statements of the petitioners as is now required to be recorded on 4/6/2024 in the matter. Also list both, list the list again on what date? 6/6/2024. Also main में तो लिख देना, main इसमें list this matter again on 6/6/2024. Interim order passed earlier to continue till 6/6/2024. बाकी order आगे बढ़ जाएगा.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
4th you are appearing and we have directed the matter to be listed on 6th.
Obliged, my lord.
Yes, heard it at least.
May I petition also? Lordship, this is regular bail application, Lordship. I was arrested on 9/5/2024, Lordship.
Charge sheet file?
No, Lordship, not yet, Lordship. Brief account of the case is that, Lordship. Which person? She's a lady, Lordship. She's a lady. She was preparing for the examination, state civil service examination, Lordship. In the meantime, what happened, Lordship? The complainant, he was posted at the Daporizo as a junior engineer, Lordship, in the department of PHE, Lordship. And thereafter, he started to pursuing her in order to get married with her, Lordship, concealing the fact that he is already married, Lordship. And later on, they were in affairs for the more than 1 year, Lordship. And later on, when I came to know that he already married and out of their wedlock, Lordship, he has a son also, Lordship. So I started avoiding him and confronted him directly that since you are a married person, I'm not going to stay with you, and our relationship will be. I don't want to continue with that relationship. And later on, what happened, Lordship? On the 6/9/2024, Lordship, the
CD is here.
Lordship.
What is that?
Lordship,
Where is that FIR?
Lordship will find it page number 20, Lordship. Lordship.
the informant, Lordship, the victim is still in ICU, Lordship.
though the lordship, the allegation contained in the FIR, lordship, it's very serious in nature, lordship. The fact is, lordship, I did not try to burn him alive, lordship. Instead, I tried to burn the car of the accused person, lordship. Because in the bail and thereafter, lordship, when this matter I informed to my elder brothers, lordship. When I
Discovery of the instruments used was made on your behalf.
lordship, it was in the rented house, lordship.
This is the petitioner.
No,
It's an informant,
that is
lordship.
the lordship, accused person, lordship.
The informant, lordship, it's a victim, lordship.
He is still in.
ICU, lordship,
ICU.
yeah, lordship.
How old is he?
Lordship, if lordship is having a bail application, lordship, that photograph is me, lordship. That is the accused person who was in a.
No,
in a jail.
that's why I asked.
Lordship.
These photos are of yours.
Yes, lordship.
And this one?
That's me only, lordship.
That's what I said.
Lordship.
It doesn't look like a.
No, lordship, this is all this one, lordship, this informant, lordship, his photograph is all about, lordship.
No, I'm in the CD, it may be there.
Oh, yes, CD is there, lordship, okay.
Well, fine, no need. I just wanted to. That's okay.
I'm 21 years old, lordship.
21.
Lordship.
And the boy?
Boy, lordship, he already married and I think he's.
I'm almost 35 years. I'm
35 years, lordship. In the last occasion when the CD was called for, lordship.
What is the date of the FIR, first FIR?
Lordship. The FIR was 7/5/2024, lordship.
Then you filed an FIR on 8/5.
Lordship, because lordship, the matter was supposed to be settled between among the family members, lordship, but this FIR has been lodged against me, lordship. This is the case, lordship, where the victim become an accused, lordship, and the accused became a victim, lordship.
No, lordship, here, lordship, this girl statement was already taken, there's no whisper of any settlement, lordship. It is all.
She had discovered that discovery of the
lordship.
petrol mug, all was at her instance.
Lordship. It was from the rented house.
Lordship, more about lordship,
Lordship, my only humble question is, lordship, since the investigation part is completed, lordship, I'm not a dreaded criminal, lordship.
Lordship.
I have been behind the bar for the more than 21 days, lordship.
Be there for some more time.
The bottle used for the carrying petrol could not be recovered till now, lordship.
This is not a case, my lord, where I pre-planned to hurt someone, lordship. This has happened
Lordship,
out of
after
provocation.
incident, lordship, she pre-planned, lordship. She tried to destroy the evidence, lordship.
Whether that was the pre-plan or that is the subject matter of the trial. No?
On the prayer of the parties, list this matter again on
4th, lordship.
4/4.
Lordship.
4/6.
4/6, lordship.
4/6/20. Not convinced.
Gravely obliged.
Like lordship.
My lord, this is also regular plate, my lord. My lord, the accused was arrested on 5/12/2023. Now it's been more than 189 days. Exactly, if we count from the date of arrest, it is 189 days. Now, since lordship, everything has been done, investigation has been completed, and charge sheet after completion of the investigation, charge sheet has also been filed on 2/2/2024.
Oh, that.
Yes, Your Lordship
Yes,
has
yes.
already heard this matter
Yes,
earlier.
yes.
We have submitted our citations also, Your Lordship.
There's an additional affidavit filed here.
Yes, Lordship. Because Lordship, the accused, he is only the son of, he is only the son of his parents. And his parents has also died, Lordship. And the accused, he is having a small
What
son.
is the stage of the criminal case?
That is, Lordship,
Charge framed?
no, Lordship. For CC, several dates were fixed, but since there is the investigation team, they are waiting for the FSL report. So CC could not be framed. The next date for CC is fixed on 27 of the next month. Right, but ऐसे तो बोल रहा था उसको। Now, Lordship,
Just. Okay. Want to argue? Want to argue?
yeah, I just Lordship would like to place this effects only, Lordship. Effects Lordship has
Not convinced.
Lordship may kindly see.
Not convinced. I've gone through it. Not convinced.
Lordship, Lordship can appreciate Lordship because both of them were in love appears and they were staying together, the victim and the accused. And
some sympathy for that boy.
their marriage was going to be solemnized in the month of December.
Mr. Ade,
Yes, sir.
anyway out.
Lordship, I have placed some judgment, Lordship. I'll just
First the facts, then the judgment.
because Lordship, since they were staying together as a wife and husband. There could not have been any occasion, Lordship, that accused will this intentionally kill.
It's not only your fault. There are others also involved in this. On the prayer of the parties, list this matter again on 3/6/2021. Try. I'll dismiss.
My lord.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, in terms of last order, dated 3/4/2024, I've taken fresh steps upon all the respondents and
Respondent number 4, done.
yes,
1 and 2 still awaited.
yes.
And you have not filed the dusty service
Yeah,
upon?
just few days I have taken dusty service because
Where is
I
that?
starts of, I filed
Also,
within.
seen the office note dated 28/5/2024, which reflects that the service of notice upon respondent number 4 is complete. However, service of notice upon respondent number 1 and 2 is still not complete. Full stop. Office was not complete. Full stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has submitted that the dusty service upon respondent number 3 has been completed, and he would be filing the affidavit in the matter within a period of 1 week, 1 week from today. Full stop. Accordingly, registry to list this case again after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by it, along with a updated status report with regard to service of notice upon the respondent number 1 and 2.
In the meantime, Lordship, there is an interim
Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of this.
deeply obliged.
My Lord Mayor.
Hmm.
Yes, Lordship, here the body parties mutually settle the matter outside the court and may be allowed to furnish the agreement copy.
You have mutually settled this matter
Yes,
with the New India Assurance.
yes. They have authorized.
No, no objection, Lordship.
Money has been paid.
No, Lordship, that is been mentioned that the money will be paid to the account of the claimant.
That's it.
Yes. That may be reflected in the order.
What do you say?
Lordship, I have no objection as I have taken the counsel.
So 11 lakhs.
Lordship.
What are the ISC for?
The first IA is for delay condonation, Lordship. And the other was for the stay.
It was listed before my last date. But Mr.
Tea time.
T. Time, learned counsel for the appellant, and also Mr. P.
Typodian,
learned counsel representing the respondent, sole respondent.
Respondent 1.
Respondent number 1. No.
Yes.
You are for New India Insurance.
Yes.
Okay. For the respondent number 1. Also, I have heard the learned counsel for by way of filing the present interlocutory application, the applicant has sought for condonation, has prayed for condonation of the delay of how many days?
162 days.
162 days in filing the connected MSC appeal number 4 bracketed AP/2022. Also, the prayer for condonation of delay as involved is not objected to by Ms. P. Odia, learned counsel representing the respondent number 1. Accordingly, on perusal of the contentions made in the application and the delay being found to have been and the cost shown and the delay having found to have been explained in the manner required, and also the no objection as stated to and the submissions of Mr. B. Typhodia, who has contended that he has no objection in this court condoning the delay occasioning in filing the connected appeal, this court, this interlocutory application. Accordingly, the learned counsel for the parties have produced before this court a deed of settlement as arrived at in the matter between the appellant as well as between the appellant and the respondent number 1, wherein the parties have agreed to settle the dispute involved by the claim involved at an amount of rupees 11 lakhs. Madam. Bracket में rupees 11 lakhs only. Also, in terms of the said deed of settlement dated 25/2024, the appellant hearing would transfer the said amount to the account of the respondent number 1 herein. Also, the said deed of settlement also provides that the respondent number 1 herein shall not further press, and accordingly, the said deed of settlement also is that the appellant herein shall not further press the present appeal, and the same shall be withdrawn. Also, in view of the above settlement as arrived at in the matter by and between the parties, no further adjudication is called for from the called for in the matter by this court, and accordingly, the MSC appeal. Accordingly, the present appeal stands dismissed. However, it is provided that the appellant shall release to the respondent number 1 herein the amount on which the claim was so settled and as recorded in the deed of settlement dated 25/2024 within a period of 15 days from today.
Lordship, and further, Lordship, the statutory fees, there was deposited 25,000. That may be.
That is included here?
No, that may be refunded to the company, the appellant.
Okay. At this stage, Mr. Pine,
Lordship,
has submitted that the statutory deposit of rupees 25,000 as deposited with the registry of this court be part of the settlement arrived at amount being not made part of the settlement arrived at between and by and between the parties, the same may be directed to be refunded to the appellant. Full stop. Accordingly, the registry is directed to return the said amount of rupees 25,000, statutory deposit of 25,000 as made in the present appeal upon verification of the same to the insurance company on an application to be made by it in this connection.
may I please? Lordship, here the service upon respondent number 2 was still awaited. Or upon the sole respondent.
Registry to await service completion, registry to list this matter again after 3 weeks, along with, 2 weeks, along with an updated status with regard to the, along with a report with regard to the status of service upon the respondent number 2, right?
Always. Lordship, sole respondent, not sole respondent.
Sole respondent, sorry.
Always. Lordship, in the meantime, this interim may be continued.
The interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of this.
Always.
Item number 14.
Very fast about the plan. Today we're supposed to dispose the PPs.
It's already 4 o'clock, no more further. Registry to, on the prayer of the parties, registry to list this matter again on 4/6/2024. Only 4.
This method, ID card is not received.
Wait, same. Registry to list the matter after 2 weeks along with the, Mr. Likhe, seen the office note dated 28/5/2024. Service upon respondent on the sole respondent is not complete. Registry to list this matter again after 2 weeks, along with a report with regard to the status of service of notice upon the sole respondent.
May I please, my lord? Lordship, I have filed a matrimonial appeal, which has been registered as mat appeal number 1. But Lordship, there is a delay in filing of this application.
How many days delay?
By days.
Will issue a notice?
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Spencer Leonard, counsel for the petitioner or for the applicant. IMA hoga. Issue notice returnable within, returnable within 6 weeks. Also,
Lordship, 3 weeks.
petitioner to take, applicant to take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by registered post as well as by usual process for steps within the next 3 working days.
Lordship,
List of-
it may be written after 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
How much kitna bola? 4 weeks kar dijiye. 4 weeks.
Deep love lunch.
Yes.
My lord, we can see there is positive, but Lordship has heard this matter earlier in another occasion also, Lordship. I just saw 2 documents, Lordship. If Lordship, there was a tender of for execution of work of under Manrega in the district of Kurunkumai, especially in Damin circle. The petitioner, he also took part in the NIT, he participated. And
Oh, that
yes,
matter, that
yes,
matter.
yes,
24, 2 lakh 40
Yes,
and
yes,
24,000.
yes.
Yes, Mr. Vishal, what do you say?
My lord, there are some technical defects, my lord. First, they have filed a writ petition with the same prayer which was withdrawn without liberty, my lord.
Forget it. What is the basis?
Basis, my lord, there is a
But I know.
there is delay in lectures and accusations, my lord. What happened, my lord?
What happened on 7/3?
7/3, my lord.
Yes, the order of 12.
Who is appearing for the respondent number 6?
Lordship, I'm appearing on for respondent number 6.
On
On
what do you
behalf
have
of
to say?
Lordship,
What do you have to say here?
leading counsel has left due to some personal emergency.
What is your, you're an advocate?
Yes.
Have you read this bill?
Lordship, I have no much idea.
Why? What were you doing yesterday night?
Lordship,
What were you doing yesterday night? How long have you been in practice?
2 years, Lordship.
2 years. No, you'll have to argue.
Lordship, this matter may be taken up tomorrow.
That's the only thing? Anything else?
My lord,
Where is the order rejecting your this thing?
There is no issue of.
No, we are not. We are not going to say that you give it to him. We'll only interfere with that respondent number 6 thing if it comes to that.
Our case is that, my lord. District board, my lord, may please come to page 26 of the writ petition.
Mr. Bija, it's
Yes,
only 24,000 or 2,40,000. That's all. If you have calculated it as 24,000, what law is required?
My lord, only the facts, my lord.
Satisfy me this on this.
My lord.
Only on this discrepancy we are going. We'll not go into any other discrepancy.
Well, because of my lord, his no objection. My lord, please come to the facts, my lord. Page
Which one?
26 of the writ petition, my lord.
26. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. My lord, this board proceeding minutes, my lord. It was held on 11 December 2023, my lord. So, my lord, may please come to our affidavit in opposition of respondent number 1 to 5, my lord. Here, my lord, we have stated, my lord. Page 4, my lord, para 7, my lord.
1 to 5. Okay. Para?
Yes. Para 7, page 4, my lord. May I read, my lord? All transparency was carried out, my lord. The Department of Expo said that all transparency was maintained during opening of financial bid held on 11/2 in the district level. During opening of financial, all bidders were allowed to cross-check and raise objection.
Now tell me one thing. Will you proceed with the respondent number 6's bid at 24,000, or you will have now recalculated at 2,40,000?
Well, the work has been awarded after giving the work. Now the work is about to be completed.
That is work is complete.
No. 31st December is over, my lord.
Direction. There is an interim direction. Yes, I know. There is an interim. How can you continue? Status quo order is there.
My lord, may please come to page 20.
Division. Yes. I remember this case.
After disposing that the matter was
The complaint, my lord, has been filed, my lord, after awarding of work, after execution of work, my lord.
Okay, satisfy me on one thing. How did you come to know about this, and when did you come to know about this?
I had, after the award was given to the private respondent number 6, I applied all the documents.
When? Para 10.
Yes, by RTI also.
Tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning, we'll dispose it of.
Yes.
And Mr. Picha?
Yes, my lord.
Only on that point.
My lord.
Even if we remain back to back, it's in your court. We'll not go a step further. We'll not go a step backward. We'll only stick to that. 24 or 2,40,000. Just satisfy this court.
Our private respondent has maintainability of raised maintainability of the writ petition, my lord.
We'll see. We'll see. And Mr. Counsel, your senior is not here. Yes, we have got it.
Yes, madam.
What is it?
As per the record, everything is clear. Fair opportunity was even given to the matter.
Huh?
Fair opportunity was given to the matter, the petitioner. Matter even copy of charge sheet was also handed over. Matter, read over matter.
That's the only grievance.
May I please, your lordship? May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
My
Yes,
lordship,
Mr. Loskar.
My lordship, so far as I have gone through the rules, my lordship, kindly consider rule 53, sub-rule 4, my lordship, of the ITBP Act, my lordship.
ITBP rules. ITBP, na?
Malad,
Yes,
ITBP rules. Along with Act 1992.
My lordship, as per the rules, my lordship, summary force court only give minor punishment as per section 56 of the Act.
That is enough. Welcome. Hello, Mr. Laskar, you can hear me?
Yes, my lordship. My lordship, as per rule
Yes,
53,
50, 50.
3, my lordship.
Of
Of rules, my lordship.
Rule or section?
Rule, my
Rules,
lordship.
which one? Rule which rule?
Rule 53, my lordship.
53. Okay.
Yes, my lordship. Sub rule, my lord, 4, my lordship.
53-4.
Yes, my lordship.
53-4 तो नहीं है. 52-2. 53-2.
53, my lord, yes, my lordship. Sub rule 4, my lordship. This is disposal of case by commanding
No,
officer
sub rule
after
4
record
of.
Yes, my lordship. Sub rule, rule 53, sub rule 2 and 4, my lordship. Roman 4, my lordship.
4. Okay. Okay.
Roman 4, my lordship.
Try the
My lord,
accused
this is-
summarily by under section 56 or by a summary for cause. Roman 4.
Yes, my lordship.
Roman 4.
Yes, my lordship.
2,
The commanding
53,
officer, my lordship.
sub rule 2, Roman 4.
Yes, my lordship. Try the accused summarily under section 56.
Try
or
the
by a
accused summarily under section 56 or by
a
summary force code
where
he is
he is
imposed.
empowered to do so.
What is your submission?
My lord, then come to section 56, my lordship, of the act, my lordship.
Section 56 of the Act.
Yes, my lordship.
Yes.
Yes.
My lord, in a summary for
Minor
court, my
punishment.
submission is that only minor punishment can be awarded, my lordship. And removal of service from service is a major punishment, my lord. It does not come under minor punishment.
Where is it provided for?
My lord, section 56
Major
may be
penalty is
seen-
provided for?
Yes, my lord, section 56 here.
Section?
56 of the act, my lordship.
That is minor.
Yes, my lordship. Minor punishment. In minor punishment, removal of service is not there, my lordship. Imprisonment in forced custody for 28 days, detention up to 28 days. Then, my lordship, severe reprimand and
Mr. Laskar, just a moment. Just a moment. Where is that order imposing penalty?
my lordship. Order imposing penalty is page, my lordship, page 35 minutes. Maybe seen, my lord. Page 36, my lord, of the writ petition, my lordship.
Your penalty goes. We should not even apply our money. Yes. Yes, if you want to say something. 51C you have utilized for imposing the penalty, right? And 51C is very specific that punishment awardable by force court.
Force code.
You have not gone up to a force court in this man's case.
It is the order passed by the
Whoever passes it, command and show me the power.
command in power of the command.
Okay, Mr. Laskar, got it. Let's see. Got it.
Yes, my lord. Highly appreciate.
Show me that power that he was given this penalty by a force court. You say it's a summary proceeding. Summary force court. Summary force court is different. Force court is different. Your officers are from here, local?
No, my lord.
They've come from where?
Yes, my lord, from Itanagar, my lord.
Itanagar.
Itanagar, my lord.
Ask them to come back tomorrow. Today it's 4.
My lord, may I pray that, my lord, the officer who is dealing with this particular case, my lord, may be called for, my lord.
I don't know. I'm not. I only want Mr. Kato. They are there for assisting.
My
Mr.
lord.
Kato.
My lord, in that case, my lord, may I pray that, my lord, matter may be listed day after tomorrow so that I can call the
Maybe possible. No, tomorrow itself. We want to go into the root of this.
My lord, I'll clarify that aspect only.
Only that aspect.
My lord, whether the order has been passed by the force
court
or summary court. Summary.
Ask them, what is a summary court and what is a force court?
There are 3 types of
Courts. Where do you get it? In the other CRPF Act and all I've seen. I've not dealt with this act. Where is that? Section?
Force court.
My lord, summary
Page
court is
25.
not defined in the rule, my lordship. Only I could find in section 53.
General force courts. Petty summary force courts are there.
Yes.
It's defined.
Yes.
Kinds of force courts.
Yes. 76.
There shall be 3 kinds of force court.
Oh,
So
sorry,
this
my
is
lord.
a penalty by the force court.
Yes, sir.
We'll have to deem it. Yes, Mr. Loskar.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Yes.
Mr. Kato, tomorrow.
My lord.
You're dealing with a man's life.
My lord.
Tomorrow, clarify this.
My lord.
Whether this summary force court also, because see, if you come back to page 25 of that book.
Yes, my lord.
76.
Kinds of force courts. The for the purpose of
Because
this,
if you see 51,
my lord.
51 punishment awardable by force
court.
courts.
Or there are kind of force court in 76.
And
General force court, petty force court, and summary force court. This case was tried by summary
summary
force
force
court.
court. So you mean to say that even
Yes.
if it is served by a summary force court,
Yes.
penalty under 51 can be.
Yes.
Can be about.
Can be given.
ये किताब हमको दे दीजिए. Tomorrow.
Well.
Enough. That'll do.
Sir.
You need not take, if you want to assess Mr. Kato, you can be here.
Sir, I will be.
Mr. Laskar, tomorrow.
Yes, my lordship.